So in this video we'll be taking a look at this rconfig 3.9.6 file upload exploit. So you can see there are two exploits for the same version, and if you go to this arbitrary file upload to RCE, and you can see this is a normal request, post request to the lib crud vendors.crud.php. So the crud is the operation create, read, update and delete. So we'll be creating a new file name called file.php, and it contains our php payload. And after uploading, you no need to have a logged in account to execute the commands. You can just normally do a curl without logging in, and you get the code execution. Let's go to the second one, and here now you can see this script was written in Python and it's very not good. It's like copy pasting this burpsuit request and editing this host and file names, etc. So this is somewhat not good because it takes so much time to understand. So let's go and first log in into our account, admin and admin. So you can also manually upload the file as well. Go to devices. So there will be an option vendors, add vendor option. In that you can add. The website is slow, so let's go and create the exploit. So URL is this one, and the post request to the this crud operation.php. So we are going to send the post request. So we need to also send the cookie as well. So copy this PHP session ID. So let's say cookies is equals to so this is our session. Now we need to create the forum data. So if you observe the request here, the name should be vendor name and the content is some description. Moving on to the second one, that is vendor logo, and it should contain file.php. And file.php, and let's go and create a sample file. Now we can open this one, open of rce.php, and open this in read binary mode, and the content type is, now you can see image or png. That is the second form, and the third form is add edit id. So I think we are good to go. Now request our post of URL, cookies is equals to cookies, and files is equals to files. Print of r is equals to post, and print of r dot text. So verify is equals to false. So this should skip the SSL. Okay, I don't know whether we uploaded successfully or not. So to check that, what we can do is we can go to this one, curl so use the -k option, and now you can see we got the code execution. So this is so you can also edit the Python script, like host is equals to something input, or you can also use the command and arguments as well. So you can also customize this script as well. So this is a lot cleaner than our Python script in the exploit DB. So that's all for this video. You can get the if you get the code execution on this rconfig, you can change the router configuration, and you can almost